How to send view once photos and videos on Messenger. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send view once photos and videos on Messenger. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Launch the Messenger app on your phone. Open a chat with the person you want to send a view once photo or video to. Tap the camera icon at the bottom of the chat screen. Take a photo or record a video directly from the camera. Before sending, tap the icon at the bottom left. This changes the media to view once mode, meaning the recipient can only see it once. Tap the send button to send the media. The recipient will see view once on the media preview. Once the recipient opens it, the media will disappear after viewing. You'll see an opened status next to it, and that's it. Now you can send view once photos and videos on Messenger for extra privacy. Use this feature when you want to share something temporarily. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.